Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the multiple choice question along with the answers of acids, bases and salts that were conducted as quiz on 14th September. So many people committed lot of mistakes. You please go through the video without skipping. Definitely you will be benefited and your mistakes will be clarified. Let us move into the questions one by one. The first question, which of the following is are acids? First formic acid, 2 acetic acid, 3 soap, 4 malic acid. Most of you are know that formic acid, acetic acid, malic acid are acids. Soap is basic in nature. So what is the correct answer for this question? 1, 2, 4, that is given in option B. Second question, tamarind contain which of the following acid? Tamarind contain tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is the answer for this question. Tamarind contain tartaric acid. And third question, which of the following are not organic acids? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, lactic acid and citric acid. That means organic acid means living origin. They are asking not organic acid, so not of living origin. Sulfuric acid is the answer, which is a mineral acid. Coming to fourth question, oxalic acid is found in apple, spinach, tomato, both B and C. Answer is both B and C, because it is present in both spinach and tomato. Okay. Then coming to fifth question, which of the following acids are found in citrus fruits? In citrus fruit, both vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, and citric acid are present. So the correct answer for this question is both B and C, that is D option. Sixth question, which of the following are true with respect to acids? First, acids are sour in taste. Acids liberate protons in aqueous solution. Acids turn blue litmus to red. Acid turns red litmus to blue. Acids liberate protons means they will release H plus ions. Acids release H plus ions in water. Aqueous solution means in water. H plus is nothing but proton. So what are the correct answers? For this question 1, 2, 3 are correct. So what is the option? C. Option C is the correct answer for this. Okay. Then coming to seventh question. Which of the following substances are basic in nature? Window cleaning solution, lime water, soap, antacid. All are basic solutions only. They are basic in nature. All are basic in nature. Milk of magnesia contains magnesium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia, direct bit, which is used as antacid, which contain magnesium hydroxide. Ninth bit, which of the following are not characteristics of bases? Bases are not bitter in taste. Bases are not soapy to touch. Bases turns blue litmus to red. Bases turns red litmus to blue. So what is the correct answer for this? 1, 2, 3. Because they are asking not characteristic of bases. So the correct answer is A, which is having 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Next. Coming to 10th question. Which of the following are natural indicators? Natural indicators means which are of living origin. That may be plant or animal origin. Okay. The answer for this question is all the above, because onion and clove are also natural indicators which are used as olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators. So the correct answer for this question is all the above. And 11th one. What is the color change of turmeric in acidic medium? Acidic medium, what is the color? Remains yellow. It will not show any color change. But in case of basic medium, it will show reddish brown color. Okay. That is about 11th question. Then coming to 12th question. Color changes of litmus in acidic and basic solution respectively are red and blue. It may be litmus paper, which may be litmus solution. The color in acidic is red color, basic is blue color. Answer is B option, that is red blue. Then coming to 13th question. Which of the following are not natural indicators? Not natural means they are synthetic indicators. Both phenolphthalein and methyl orange are synthetic indicators. So the correct answer is option C, both A and B. Okay. Next, coming to 14th question. What is the color change of phenolphthalein indicator in sodium hydroxide solution? Sodium hydroxide means it is basic in nature. What is the color change of phenolphthalein in basic solution? It turns pink in color. We have seen with the help of an activity also. So the answer for this question is turns to pink color. Okay. 15th question. What is the gas evolved during the reaction of acids with metals? It is also given in types of changes, that is physical and chemical changes. We have seen this reaction. Evolution of gas, hydrogen gas will be liberated. That means, for example, if you take any metal like zinc and the reaction of any acid like H2SO4, the resultant products are ZnSO4, which is a salt, along with hydrogen gas. Okay, so the answer for this question is hydrogen. 16th one. Color of methyl orange in neutral medium. That means without any acidic or basic solution, whatever the color as it is, that is orange color. Okay. 17th. Detect the sample chemical nature based on the following observations. Blue litmus remains blue. That means blue litmus remains blue, which may be a base or neutral substance. Okay. Second, turmeric indicator is showing yellow color. That means it may be acid or neutral substance. Phenolphthalein indicator remain colorless. Again, it may be acidic substance or neutral substance. So what is the common here? Neutral substance. So the answer for this question is neutral. Answer for this question is neutral. Okay. 18th question. Identify the correct statement. Acidity of sulfuric acid is 1. B. Acidity of sulfuric acid is 2. C. Basicity of sulfuric acid is 1. D. Basicity of sulfuric acid is 2. The answer for this question is basicity of sulfuric acid is 2. That means H2SO4 is there. H2SO4. It is the formula of sulfuric acid. What is basicity means? Whenever we consider acids, basicity is nothing but the number of replaceable hydrogens. The number of replaceable hydrogens in an acid is nothing but basicity. And when it comes to bases, we call that as acidity. Exactly opposite you need to remember. Answer for this question then, basicity of sulfuric acid is 2 because 2 hydrogens are there. Okay. Then coming to 19th question. Basicity of calcium hydroxide. I already told you, in case of bases, we will not say basicity, we will say acidity. So the answer for this question is none. Okay. Likewise, next question, 20th. Acidity of acetic acid. Here they are asking acidity of acid. Acidity of acid won't be there. Basicity of acid and acidity of base will be there. Remember that one. So the answer again for this is none. Okay. Coming to 21st question. Which among the following are neutral salts? Neutral salts means they are formed by the reaction of strong acids with strong base or reaction of weak acid with weak base. Either of the case, they will form neutral salts. Sodium chloride. It is formed by the reaction of sodium hydroxide. First, sodium hydroxide and HCl will form sodium chloride. So it is a neutral salt. Okay. Likewise, Second one you observe sodium sulfate. It is formed by the reaction of sodium hydroxide with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is strong acid, sodium hydroxide is strong base. Again the salt formed is neutral salt. So the correct answer is both A and B. In case of C, why it is not correct means C, sodium acetate. That means it is formed by the reaction of sodium hydroxide with acetic acid. Acetic acid is weak acid. So the salt is basic in nature. It is not neutral, it is basic in nature. Sodium acetate is basic in nature. I think you are clear now. Answer for this is both A and B. 22nd. What is the gas evolved during the reaction of metal carbonates and bicarbonates with acids? You have this reaction already in your changes also. Acetic acid reaction with baking soda. What is the gas that is evolved during this reaction? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas will be released with a hissing sound. That is the answer for this question. The answer is carbon dioxide, that is C option. 23rd. When basic solution is added to China rose indicator, what will happen? Actually, what is the color of China rose indicator? First you have to know that pink color. When basic solution is added, what is the color change we can observe? The color changes from pink to green. C option is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Next, 24th question. Strong acid among the following. They are asking strong acid. Here sodium hydroxide, acetic acid, hydrogen chloride, citric acid were given. Hydrogen chloride, that is hydrochloric acid only. Hydrochloric acid is the strong acid. Acetic acid, citric acid, they are organic acids and they are weak acids. Sodium hydroxide is base. So the correct answer is C, hydrogen chloride. And 25th, how to detect the chemical nature of substance? The chemical nature of the substance can be known either with the help of indicators or by their chemical reactions. So answer is both A and B. Both are correct. Okay. 26th. Acid used in the preparation of soft drinks. Acid used in the preparation of soft drinks is carbonic acid, that is H2CO3 is used in the preparation of soft drinks. Okay. Next, coming to 27th question. Which of the following is true about neutralization? First, acid and base reaction leads to formation of salt and water. During this reaction, energy is absorbed. Fourth, during this reaction, energy is liberated. Neutralization reaction is an acid-base reaction, that is correct. Leads to formation of salt and water, that is also correct. And during this reaction, energy is absorbed. Energy is not absorbed, energy is liberated because it is exothermic reaction. So, correct answers are 1, 2 and 4. So, the correct option is B, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Metal oxides on reaction with acids form. Metal oxides on reaction with acids form both salt and water. Both salt and water will be formed on the reaction of metal oxides with acids. Then coming to the next question, 29th. Assertion. Acids are acids are sour in taste. Reason, acids turn blue litmus to red. Both assertion and reason is correct, but reason is not explaining the assertion. So the correct option for this is A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. 30th question. Which of the following are applications of neutralization? 1. Antacids, soil treatment, waste treatment. The correct answer is all the above, because this is helpful in preparation of antacids because neutralization reaction. soil treatment also, waste treatment also. So all the above are correct. These are all 30 questions what I have conducted quiz and the answers for these questions, and after watching this video your doubts will be clarified without any doubt. Even if you find anything difficult, let me know in the comment box. I will definitely give you reply. If you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and encourage me. And that's all for today. We will meet in another video. Thank you all of you. Bye bye.